All right, so we're here under this 97 2500, and I thought I've seen it all. But there is a ratchet strap holding the fuel tank up. This is a fuel tank. But we're going to move the camera to the subject in hand, where I guess the guy lost the screws to the yoke for the dry shaft, and he decided that he was going to weld it onto the yoke. These are the things that we have to work with sometimes. Look at that. This guy is a menace to society, and I heard this was done by a transmission shop.
Where was the transmission shop?
And I am not going to say, because I'm not a snitch. I am sorry to tell you.
Well, what county was it in?
I'm not going to say what county it is in either, sir. This is a disaster. Look at that. Those people, their licenses should be removed off their wall. And if they are ASC certified, they probably bought it. Ladies and gentlemen, the plot thickens. They did an exhaust system. Well, besides the point that I took and I made this truck from automatic to MV4500 5-speed, the gentleman told me, please, can you fix my exhaust? And I said, yes, no problem. They use a fence post, 3-inch, and they made a stack. They welded the 4-inch piece of pipe onto the bed, and they thought, because, let me give some light to the situation here. They thought because they were just going to make the hole and the exhaust was just going to go through the hole into the 4-inch pipe and out the top. They got the messes of all messes. Lubrication of soot all over the bottom of this vehicle. Incredible. Look at that. I love it. Their licenses should be revoked. Exhaust repair is no good.